Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. Ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. By the way, kung hindi ka pa nakafollow, Madam P, Unipri, yan yung Facebook namin. Meron ako yung mga sinishare na hindi ko na share dito sa YouTube, so you might want to check it out. Yan, makipag-interact kayo sa akin dito. Sobrang natutuwa po ako sa mga nagko-comment guys. So, dito sa YouTube, of course, marami na nagko-comment. Yung iba, memorize ko na ang pangalan. But, mas maganda din kasi na makapag-comment or makapag-follow ka sa akin sa Facebook kasi ibang experience naman yan for me dahil nakikita ko yung mga profile ninyo doon and mas nakukuha ko yung energy ninyo. So, hopefully, ma-follow mo ako dyan. If you want also magpabook ng personal reading, dyan na lang din. I also do have TikTok guys, Unipri, UNIPRI. So, sa mga gustong mag-avail ng aming products, dyan na lang din po. And, yung personal reading, virgophilippines@gmail.com or doon sa aming Facebook page. Pwede ka doon mag-inquire. May mga admin akong mag-a-assist sa'yo. Let's start, Libra. Check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter signs. You do have here the Devil. You do have here the Ace of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Oh, Libra, some of you are currently, either you're uh, focusing on your beginning kasi una sa lahat, pwede nagkakaroon ka ng problem with regards sa money mo ngayon. Or if not, pwedeng family. Or if not, could be a boss or someone na nagmamanipulate sa'yo or, you're having problem with this. Parang naiinis ka, gusto mo nang alisan, gusto mo nang umalis, or tapusin kung ano man ito. But then, you are kind of like stuck dito sa situation na ito. Parang kailangan mo maghintay ng something. And now you're focusing on new beginnings, but now parang hindi mo magawa pa yung new beginning na yun because of that, no? Because of this problem sa buhay. Sabihin na natin problem, stress sa buhay mo for now. Pero ayun, I mean, actually, nagiging daan din ito for you na mas manotice mo kung ano ba yung mga area ng buhay mo na dapat mas mag-work out para sa'yo. But, yun nga lang, may mga delays. Okay, the person that you're dealing with, you do have here the Hermit. This is Virgo energy, Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, Nine of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Four of Cups is here. Okay, I feel like with the Hermit, itong person na to could be someone, yeah, this is Virgo, you could be dealing with a Virgo, Nine of Swords, pwedeng nasasaktan na tong person na to, but with the Ace of Wands, pareho kayo, nagpo-focus sa mga new beginnings, and the Hermit is here. Maybe this person is hiding something from you, meron siyang itinatago, and pwedeng high chance na itinatago niya is may kinalaman sa kanyang emotions and or yung mga problema niya sa buhay. Four of Cups is here. Parang hindi siya sigurado sa'yo ngayon. I mean, do you still love me? Mahal mo pa ba ako? Parang ganun. So, parang nasasaktan tong taong to kasi hindi siya sure about the emotions na nararamdaman mo na sa kanya ngayon. And this person is, nakakita tayo ng mga actions or pag-iisip pa lang of taking actions kung paano mare-reverse yun or mababalik or mawawala yung yeah. The devil is here. Some of you, pwedeng you're not being honest sa person na ito regarding sa kung ano yung nasa isip mo or emotions mo para sa kanya. But anyway, ano ba yung emotions mo para sa taong to? You do have here the Three of Pentacles and the Hierophant. What do we have here sa side ng person mo? Emotion niya para sa'yo. The Empress and the Four of Cups. So, gusto ka talaga ng person. Nakikita ka niya as the Empress. You look so beautiful, babae man or lalaki. Maganda ka or pogi ka para sa taong to. Kaya lang parang hindi kasi siya sigurado na kung mahal mo pa ba siya or gusto mo pa ba siya. And itong person na ito is, tired. Nakakita tayo ng pagod. So, you could be dealing with a person na maraming isipin or maraming ginagawa or maybe honestly, I can see health issues here with the Nine of Swords. So, pwede may mga health issues din itong taong ito. The Three of Pentacles and the Hierophant, nakikita natin na maraming growth na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon and you are too busy para mag-focus sa emotions mo dito sa taong to. Like with the Hierophant, marami kang inaaral, inaalam, natutunan at continuous ang pagkatuto mo sa isang bagay. Maybe pinagkakitaan mo na ngayon or pagkakitaan in the future. You're focusing on new beginnings na may kinalaman sa pag-aaral, okay? Na pwedeng makatulong para mas magkaroon pa ng growth sa'yo pagdating sa iyong finances. So, I don't see any emotions. Maybe kasi yung iba sa inyo with the Nine of Cups, you want to have some kind of recognition or gusto mo muna ng awards or you want to, be in a place wherein marami kang masasabi or maipagyayabang or maipagmamalaki. And, or, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you do have a lot of options as of now. And ito person nito is like, gusto ka niya, pero hindi siya sigurado kung gusto mo rin siya. Parang ganyan. So, take only what resonates, guys. Hindi lahat magre-relate dito sa mga sinasabi ko. So, what will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for you, Libra. In the near future for you, Libra. Okay, Libra. You do have the Five of Swords. Ten of Swords. Two of Cups and Five of Wands, King of Cups. Ten of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Judgment. Well, you have already learned the lesson na dapat mong matutunan dito sa connection na ito. The Two of Cups is showing to me as relationship, connection, partnership, na with this Five of Swords, there's a possibility of big change dito sa partnership, relationship, connection. Na ito, Ten of Swords, I can see an ending. Ten of Wands. Kasi ang hirap yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng marami kang kailangan gawin, obligasyon, or maybe masyadong nakakapagod. And itong person na to is, you need to cut this person off. Dahil isa pa siya sa nag-o-occupy ng utak mo, ng isip mo, and the King of Cups, I see love here, pero it's not working kasi parang there's a lot of toxicity or I can see Lilith. So, pwedeng may mga rebellious energy dito. Like, parang may mga bagay na ginagawa na hindi dapat gawain. And if you are in a relationship, Five of Swords is showing to me as big change sa relasyon. Like, an ending sa relationship. Kasi pwedeng may pag-aaway, pagkakagulo, or yun nga, it's no longer working. Kahit pa baguhin or ayusin, hindi na siya nag-work out. So, I can see a possibility of an ending of a relationship, partnership, connection. And sometimes kasi you need to let go of something na parang lalo na kung masyadong ikaw naman yung nagbibigay or nagiging patient, you're giving your all, your everything, but then ang ending ikaw lang napapagod. So it's better to let go than to hold on sa something na mas nagpapahirap lang lalo sa'yo. So, thank you for watching, guys. I hope nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka, nakakuha ka ng messages doon. Again, if you want to book a personal reading, open astrological tarot reading is also available. Diyan na lang po sa aking Facebook page or sa aming Gmail. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.